I filmed the video 2 days ago, and the GoPro angle was in the completely wrong angle and was faced at my knees the whole time. So we're gonna try this again. Let's go ride some mountain bikes.
Oh, it's not as slippery as last time as well. That's sick. Oh, I see it turning on me. That's so hard. Yeah, that's way better. Gotta be careful, it's a bit slippery in here. I don't have any rear brakes. Whew, yeah, that's way better. Hold on, this is bad fun now. Pretty fun still though, that's for sure. Dude, I'm just, I used to ride all the time, and I'm just not nearly as strong of a rider as I used to be. I started choking.
Say like 40 degrees, so it's not too bad. I'm sweating. Got the armpits unzipped now, so it's the mood now.
Oh, no, the hills. There's so many hills. Oh. Oh my God. What a hill. Oh boy. How people this in shape. Jesus Christ. Oh God. Oh. Ooh. That one is bad. People who pass me think I'm talking to myself. But realistically, I'm talking to a camera. So I guess I am talking to myself. That's cool, whatever. Woo, bit slippery right there. This is the actual downhill that I gotta be careful on. Oh yeah, that's what's up. How do I even make this interesting? I'm going like 2 miles an hour the whole time. I walk faster than this, dog. Which is nice. Oh, I had some understeer there. And I hit my tripod on the tree. There we go. That was not bad at all. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Give me that downhill. Oh my goodness. Wow. Whoa. 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 Bro, mad understeer. Forgot it's like I said, oh. That'll be fine. Oh, this is nice and flowy. Yeah. There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's go, baby. Hell yeah. This is some nice speed. This is flowy. Let's go. Fuck yeah. Holy fuck. Here we go. Fuck yeah. That's what I wanted all day. Oh. What up, dog? Dogs are too much work for me. Me, my camera, my car, my bike, and I. That's how I like to ride. Even though that's what I do all the time, it's just, it's what I'm gonna do. Ooh. Last summer when there was a big ass tree right there. Garbage. But 1DXs are not any, it's not a, oh. I never walk my bike. This is the third time today. Ooh, I'm like really feeling it in my legs, in my back, everywhere. Not too bad. It's pretty calm. A little bit slippery right there. Ooh, mad slippery right here, I forgot. Dude, I thought I got a flat, but I didn't. As always, I post every single Friday. So stay tuned for next week. Be safe, guys. Have fun. And we'll see you next time.